Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can jump really far in Heartopia. So you're able to get to items easier, and you're able to do this duck jump activity easier. So from here to here, it's obviously further than from here to here, for instance. You're going to want to look at the item, or preferably a little bit up here, and you're going to press on the jump button for a long time. So this is the normal jump. Here, I'll show it to you guys. This is me not clicking it very long, so I am able to jump from here to here. But if you click it for a really long time, you're able to jump further away from the first place, I guess. So press space or whatever it is you use to jump, and press it for a really long time, and as you can see, you're able to jump further distances. But yeah, that's pretty much it, really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!